Hello, hello, I'm Belle. Welcome back to my reaction channel. Today I'll be reacting to One Piece episode 22 and 23. Enjoy.
ここはレストランだろう。
お客様、代金はお持ちで。
鉛でいいか。
金はないんですね。
いいコック見つけた。
いい機会だ。クソじじい。そいつらと一緒に出て行きさませ。てめえはもうこの店にはいらね
Hey,
え。
there's your go-ahead. Now you can join the crew.
最強の海賊艦隊提督ドンクリーク。
女と見りゃすぐに鼻の穴膨らましやがん。ろくな料理も作れやしねえし。てめえはこの店にとってお荷物なんだと。そういう。
He's just giving some tough love here. Zeff is really like, what's his name? Gordon Ramsay? Hell's Kitchen? Again, I wonder if that is what Baratie is inspired by. I'm just thinking, Gordon Ramsay has blonde hair too, right? So can you picture him with Zeff's mustache? That'd be funny. Brava for catching those. Yes, live forever, Zeff. That looks fabulous. He's only kind to the ladies. It's like you talk big Usopp, but you leave it to Zoro and the others. He is the biggest simp ever. Gotta love him though. So 4 days have gone by. At least Luffy is honorable. It's like he knows he's done something wrong, so he has to live up and own up to it. But there are other ways to bargain. So how can you tell who that is through the fog? His ship is huge. Yeah, I don't think he's there just to have your kindness. Like it's been through a hurricane. If they're that terrified, why aren't they running away immediately? I don't understand. At that moment, he really does seem like he's being honest. Like he is withering away to a degree. Sanji being a good boy. He doesn't care about your status or who you are. If you're starving, he's willing to feed you. Yeah, he's being a bit hypocritical.
食わしてもらったらおとなしく帰ると約束する。 だから頼む助けてくれ。ドンクリークやめてください。
He's full of it. It's like, even I can feel that.
おい、そこどけパーティー。
Oh. Hit the head on the way down too. Good guy Sanji. Although, if he's as bad, if Don is as bad as they say, I know his character already, but again, I would tie him up in some way with the like toughest chains possible, and then spoon feed him. He was just eating. That gets me every time. Yeah, scum playing dirty. He's like the wolves in sheep clothing. Like clotheslined him. How dare you do that to someone who fed you? Sir. Sir. Scum. Oh, now you run. Dean, how could you think that he was gonna uphold his word? No. Your allegiance is to the wrong person. And to break his shoulder or pop it out of his socket? How dare you? Like, your underling saved your life, bud. I don't understand. Of course, Zoro wants to be a part of the fun. Trying to seem intimidating. You're the weakest person. His reaction. I can't stand people like this. They're so narcissistic. They think that they have such a god complex about themselves that do as I say or you die. Again, tie them all up, feed them, then call the Marines. Simple as that. I will defy you, sir. I would give you the middle finger if I were there. See, Keen is actually a good person here. He was actually grateful for what was given to him because it helped. It saved his life. And he tried to do a good thing to help his superior, but it backfired. And again, Sanji doesn't care who you are or what's been done to him. If people are starving, he's gonna help them. And he's not doing that because you told him to. Jackass. Yeah, his heart is in the right place. See, this is the difference in the service industry. Patty here is money focused. Sanji is service focused. There's a difference. That's insane. That certainly is a spicy meatball. That gun, oh my god, it's crazy. Why is it a shrimp? Yeah, from his perspective, that is lousy service. See, the only thing that makes him strong are his weapons. That's it. But that is a crazy setup, though. Diamond. A diamond on that. How can you even find a diamond that big?
100食分はあるだろう。さっさと船に運んでやれ。
なんだよあのおっさん。危ねえな。
They're made of rubber. You can't get hurt.
ゼフだと。
Have a clothesline someone after they fed you food, sir. Where's your manners?
この船もらうぜ。ゼフだと。
守れバラティエ。大海賊赤足のゼフ。
なあ、グランドラインの落ち武者よ。まさか。
Yeah, that just sets the stage for the Grand Line. Someone supposedly as big as the Dawn got defeated. He just wasn't worthy.
グランドライン。
He wasn't worthy of it. No, no.
貴様は
That's why you were defeated.
赤足のゼフ。その強靭な脚力は岩盤をも砕き、鋼鉄にすら足形を残せたと聞く。
Yeah, the abilities that humans can achieve in this world is amazing. Outside of the devil
帰り血を浴びた
fruits.
貴様の靴のこと。だが、今やその大切な足は失ったというわけだ。
Hey, he's happy as long as he can cook. So what if he lost a leg?
ついてなかったじゃないか。足はなくとも料理はできる。この両手があればな。
Yeah, see?
てめえ何が言いたいんだ。
He's living out his dream. He just wants to be a chef.
赤足のゼフ。貴様は勝ってあのグランドラインに入り、無傷で帰った男。その丸一年の後悔を記録した後悔日誌があるはずだ。
Makes me wonder, like, how far Zeff got in his journey in the Grand
お
Line.
っさんもグランドライン入ったことあんのか。
ただ一つ、押村区は情報が足りなかったこと。ただ知らなかった。
Yeah, information is good to know.
この大海賊時代の頂点に立つのだ。
No, no. Just now.
ちょっと待て。海賊王になるのは俺だ。
Yes, he will.
させよ。おい、
He's my pirate king.
お前が叶う相手じゃねえ。聞き流してやってもいいんだが。
いいよ、聞き流さなくて。俺は事実を言ったんだ。
I just love how confident he is in his abilities.
当たり前だ。グランドラインは俺が制する。
情報こそなかったにせよ。兵力5000の艦隊がたったの7日で壊滅する魔界
This man has some serious PTSD. Only in 7 days. 50 ships destroyed in within 7 days. Wow.
いっそこの場で潰してやろう。お望み通りあの世に送ってやろうじゃないか。
Yeah, it's not gonna work on him. Now, see the difference? I think Don just wants to conquer for power, whereas Luffy is about the romanticism of the adventure.
ゾロ、ウソップ。来たのかお前ら。いいよ、そこで見てろ。
Usopp, you're trying your best. You're so brave.
そういうなら仕方がない。いざという時は加勢してやるから。頑張れよ。てめえ何しやがったゾロ。
うるせえ。お前は黙ってろ。
そいつらはお前の仲間が。
They're fabulous members. Don't laugh at them.
何言ってんだ。あと2人いる。
おい、それ俺を入れただろ。
Yes, he did. Again, you're part of the crew, Sandy. You have no choice.
貴様らの相手は後回しだ。
姉貴あったたたた
Ah, classic anime boy kiss.
ナミの姉貴
ああ、何？どうかした？
No, you should have known this would happen. You know who you're working for.
広すぎるこの海の上で食料や水を失うことがどれほどの恐怖かどれほど辛いことか知っとんのか
Again, this is the difference. It's like, have you felt and been in that situation to starve? Yeah, if you don't know how it feels, you can't sympathize, you can't understand.
腹を空かせたやつに飯を食わせるまではコックとしての俺のせいだがな。
Even doing that, he's so classy with his hand in his pocket. I don't care about smoking though.
俺はたとえてめえでも容赦なく殺す。
なんかあいついいだろ。いいよあんなやつ
He is cool.
それより早く逃げねえと。ゲン、お前グランドラインのこと何もわからねえって言ってたよな。行ってきたのにか。
Again, he was trying to suppress his memories.
事実さ。未だに頭の中で整理がつかねえでいるんだ。信じきれねえんだ。たった一人の男に50隻の艦隊が壊滅させられたなんて。
That's insane. Again, sets the stage. One man destroying 50 ships.
思い出したくねえんだよ。あの男の人を睨み殺すかと思うほどの鷹のように鋭い目を。
なんだとそいつは鷹の目の男に違えねえな。鷹の目の男
あ、知ってんのかゾロ。
Again, I'm surprised he's shocked here. It's like Johnny told him that there were rumors of Mihawk in the area.
そんな覚えはねえ。
昼寝の邪魔でもしたとかな。
Maybe he was just shocked that to know how strong Mihawk was to destroy around 50 ships.
そう向きになるな。ものの例えだ。
どういうところだよ一体。
It's a fantastic place, Usopp. You'll have a blast.
ルフィ、やめとこうぜそんなとこ行くの。ルフィ。
Luffy knows. I'm with Luffy on this one.
ルフィ。ザクザクするな。やっぱそうでなくちゃな。てめえは少しは身の危険を知れ。
でもこれで俺の目的は完全にグランドラインに絞られた。あの男にはそこに行けば会えるんだ。
お前ら真っ先に死ぬタイプだな。
当たってるけどな。バカは余計だ。
It's true. Only you get to call yourself stupid. No one else's opinion matters.
この俺をバカと呼んでいいのはそれを決めた俺だけだ。
Luffy's just trying to fit in. Zeff knows that these boys are a good crew for Sanji.
今のこの状況が理解できてんのか。海賊の墓場から生きて帰ったんだ。
そうだ。これでまた再び
Well, I guess that's an achievement in and of itself. It's just going in for a few days and then coming back
な
alive.
んだその顔は。
またあんなところへ。
Does that mean that they came through the comm belt? They risked going through the comm belt?
他に
Wow.
意義のあるやつはいねえな。
Oh, here he comes. I swear, I love the goth aesthetic he has going on. Those eyes. Insane. That is such a clean cut. That's impressive.
切られただとこの巨大ガレオン戦をかそんなバカな話があるか
Insane.
まずい。何も予策もジョニーも表の船に乗ったままだ。
もう手遅れかもしれねえぞ。じゃあね、あいつらに言っといて。
That cheeky
涙
face.
が敵は
縁があったらまた会いましょうって。
宝全部持って逃げちゃいました
Nami, how could you just dip at that time? It's him. It's Daddy Mihawk. I love the heartbeat here.
まさかあれが鷹の目の男。
Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed those episodes with me. So we got to meet the Don, who is scum of the earth. And we get to know a little bit about Redfoot Zeff and a little bit about him. And I know there's going to be further backstory. And yes, so it's just building up the grand line. And I can't wait till the next episode and to meet Mihawk and to see that fabulous fight. And for today's advice, we have spinning a web. Everything is connected, sticky situations, delicate yet strong moves. You weave your destiny. This is very true that the cooks in the Baratier are in a sticky situation and they are making bold moves to protect the Baratier, which is their treasure, and it's just good for them to stand up for what they believe in. And it's a good advice to know for yourself that you create your own destiny with your actions. All right, I hope you enjoy that. Give a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.